Nadia. Talking about the being in charge of your life and take control of your life the way that you like to be going on and continue, one main reason that may hold you back is yourself, your own thought, and your own negative thought that we may have experienced that in some period of the life, each one of us. So how you can control them? Just do not nourish them. Do not add to them what they are telling you, right? And in other way, replace them with something better. If they are saying that, oh, you're not good enough, this is bad, something that happened was bad, they did this to you, something came up bad, everything is not going well, just stop them and replace them with all reminding yourself with all good the things that happened.